What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, I made my first video. This is the second video, just to let you know, guys. And I made first video the moment I got up. I woke up. Okay, so that video has not uploaded yet. Okay, it will soon. But for now, let me make another video. Let's make another video which will going to be in Hindi. So ये video हिंदी में आने वाला है, तो of course I'm gonna speak in Hindi language. And yeah, in future मैं हिंदी language में हिंदी में भी vlogs बनाऊंगा, जो भी project बनाऊंगा. I mean like कुछ भी, right? So it could be anything, but I will make sure like I'll upload videos on these two channels. So I'm gonna upload videos on these two channels, okay? And when I am done with 1000 days with these two channels, like उस दिन के बाद तो I will be proud of myself that I've done this, okay? I'm just that for showing up every day for 1000 days. 1000 days is no joke, right? Like अगर तुम लोग ऐसे ही सोचोगे तो एक महीने में 30 दिन में फट के हाथ में आती है, राइट? टू बी ऑनेस्ट आती है कि नहीं बताओ. एंड लाइक एट फर्स्ट अभी कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना उतना कठिन नहीं है, लाइक उतना डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है एज इट यूज्ड टू बी. लाइक जब मैं अपने बिगिनिंग में बना रहा था तो थोड़ा बहुत मोटिवेशन, लाइक वन डे अ थॉट केम टू माई माइंड, ऑल ऑफ सडन, जस्ट लाइक I don't remember like what was I doing at the time, but suddenly came to my mind. And like I don't know how it happened. Like I was like, oh, what if I just make videos? I somehow I fixed the timeline, like how many minutes duration. I fixed the duration at the time, like for how many days I'm gonna make videos, like every day. Of course I will make videos every day, but for how many days? So that was the question. And then I think about a little bit more. I have heard that it takes 21 days to start building, like to become disciplined, right? So what if I make videos more than 21 days? So how am I gonna make those videos? Like what kind of videos I'm gonna make? Is it like clips? I just record myself now, and then later, or maybe 2-3 hours ago, maybe like sometimes I record myself again, and then I add those clips and upload those by editing. And I'm pretty lazy. I'm a lazy guy. So I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna do it, right? That is so boring, and I'm gonna break the consistency soon if I'm gonna do these, like these all the steps. I'm gonna break the consistency. I'm not going to be consistent even for a week. And so that's when another idea came to my mind, which was, let's upload raw footages. What if I upload raw footages for more than 21 days? And even at this point I haven't decided like for how many days I'm gonna upload videos, okay? It's not fixed yet, okay? Just keep in mind. And that was when I was thinking a little bit more, okay? And yeah, raw footages, that's a good idea. And yeah, and for how many days? Of course, just I thought it about a little bit more. I didn't think about 1000 days at first, but I kept thinking about it. And then 100 days. What about 100 days? Is it no, a little bit more? And at that time I added one more zero to 100, so which was 1000, which is 1000 days. So that's when I started doing this challenge. I took that challenge and I'm doing it continuously. I've crossed, yeah, successfully, fortunately I have crossed 300 days, and in near future we will reach this milestone as well. So just and it is no big deal. I mean, like these days just maintaining the consistency. And there is one exceptional rule about it. You know what? Okay, so let me tell you, the rule is for some days, for some exceptional days, we have Wi-Fi at our home, right? And but what if someday electricity doesn't come, and I don't have any data, just to make it worse, I don't have left any data, and then no balance on my SIM card. Okay, so how am I gonna buy the data pack? No. And but I have made the video, okay, which is 5-minute video, each video, right? And how am I gonna upload those? So at that case, I can upload to next day, okay? Because the main task is to make a video every day, okay? It doesn't matter when you upload, but only those exceptional days, okay? It's not like I have Wi-Fi connection and I forget. No, it cannot happen, okay? It will not count, otherwise I'll have to start from zero. If I don't have any Wi-Fi connection or internet connection, so at that case I can upload to the next day. And I have done it one or maybe two times, not more than two times, yeah, just to let you know, guys. And okay, so where was I was like 1000 days, right? So I decided to make videos for 1000 days. And another question arises, which was, in which language I'm gonna make videos. Oh yeah, that's a tough one. But then I again, after thinking a little more harder, I came to the point, where I decided to make video in Hindi plus English, because in future my English is not that good, and so does my Hindi. So is my Hindi. I'm like, so how to say that? My English is not so good, so is my Hindi, okay? And what happened then? I decided to make video in Hindi plus English. I decided to create two separate channels where I'm gonna upload Hindi and English, okay? And so that's how the journey started. All right, so yeah, this is how, I mean, like, ऐसे ही मैंने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट करा था. एंड आज होपफुली, आई मीन, लाइक, अफॉर्चुनेटली 300 डेज क्रॉस कर चुका हूँ. एंड in near future we will cross one, I mean, like, we will reach that 1000 milestone. Okay, no worries, not a big deal for me anymore, but जैसे कि मैंने पहले, like I said, कि at first, consistency maintain करने में थोड़ा बहुत difficult हुआ था, but these days it's just a part of my life, basic part of, like, just I can't live without doing it. I can, like, can you live without having food? That's how I made this thing so close to me, like I have to do it no matter what. Okay, so this is how the journey started, and it will be going on, it will keep going until I reach the milestone. And the one more thing, I'm gonna change these two channels name, and I will just try to upload some more vlogs. Actually, I have already shooted a video for 1 week, and small clips, and that's how, like, kind of vlog, and I have voice over, like 5 मिनट का, like 7 मिनट का था, and like 7 मिनट का नहीं था वो, like 30 मिनट्स का था. मैंने उसको ट्रिम करके, आई मीन, लाइक, उसको फास्ट उसका स्पीड बढ़ाकर 7 मिनट का है, राइट? तो अभी वो उसको वॉइस ओवर करना था, एंड मैंने अभी नहीं करा, लाइक लेजी. दिस इज़ द ओनली टास्क दैट आई एम डूइंग विच आई कंसिडर्ड इज काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्टिव, राइट? अदर देन दिस आई एम नॉट डूइंग इवन ए शिट. जस्ट एंड फिजिकल के लिए बस मैं थोड़ा बहुत जिम जाता हूँ शाम को. दैट्स इट आई एम डूइंग, बिकॉज आई एम डिप्रेस्ड, फकिंग डिप्रेस्ड राइट नाउ. दैट्स हाउ आई एम फीलिंग समटाइम्स. ऑलराइट, सो आज, लाइक, जर्नी बताते 10 मिनट होने वाले हैं. तो इस वीडियो को मैं इन फ्यूचर अगर मैं देखना चाहूँ तो मैं ऑब्वियसली मैं नंबर, अभी तो मेरा माइंड मुझको बोलेगा कि इट्स लाइक 300, मे बी 20-30 days, but in future I will forget it 100%. And like, which video is this? So I'm gonna लाइक इस वीडियो का मैं एक दूसरा आई एम लाइक एक टाइटल, जैसे कि मेरा अभी मैं नॉर्मल लाइक 305 309 ऐसे करके टाइटल देता हूँ जौन सा भी वीडियो होता है, बट इस वीडियो में मैं हाउ माई जर्नी स्टार्टेड करके एक टाइटल दूंगा, जो कि अगर मैं इन फ्यूचर अगर जब मैं एक चैलेंज कंप्लीट करने के बाद वीडियो देखता हूँ तो एट दैट टाइम मुझे पता चले कि हाउ माई जर्नी स्टार्टेड, राइट. सो इट विल बी अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग वीडियो फॉर मी इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल. ओके, मेरे फ्यूचर वर्जन को मुझे पता लगेगा कि दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. अगर मैं कुछ बनता हूँ आई एम लाइक इन फ्यूचर जो भी मेरे गोल्स हैं अचीव कर पाता हूँ या नहीं, और मे बी आई एम गोना डाई soon, I don't know. Okay, so nobody knows when death will come to you and it will take you. Okay, so broken English plus broken Hindi, and my Nepali is not so good as well, just little chit, I mean like normal. No other fancy words. Yeah, that's it. It is I mean like it is true that my three languages are neutral, just I don't know, like that is why I'm doing this, okay? And you may ask like why am I not making videos in Nepali language, right? So I can make it, but Nepali language is what I'm speaking all day, okay? I don't need to train Nepali language, my Nepali language. So and that is the reason I don't need to find I don't have to find other reasons to just make videos, and it will be a load, kind of feel load pressurized. I don't want to feel pressurized. I mean like I don't want to feel pressurized, like अगर मैं इससे ज़्यादा वीडियोस बनाने की कोशिश करूँगा तो I will feel pressurized, and ऐसा होगा कि someday like अभी तो मेरा मूड अच्छा है, but at some time आप like ऐसे worst feel करते हैं ना, loser, you feel like you are a loser, okay? You're a fucking loser. So that time I might not make 3 videos at a time, but 2 videos, that will do, okay? I'm like goodbye, see you tomorrow. I didn't realize कि ये 12 मिनट का वीडियो होने वाला था. I just came here to make 5 minutes video, that's all. I'm like that's it, but somehow I made 12-minute videos. Okay, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Hope you all are doing good. Goodbye.